Imagine holding the raw, blazing fast power of an iPhone 15 Pro in the palm of your hand. But instead of a phone, it is a tiny box plugged right into your TV. Now, imagine getting all of that power for just $99. Sounds completely impossible, right? Well, that is exactly what the new Apple TV Pro leaks are showing us. And it is going to change your living room forever. This is not just some small, boring update. Apple is secretly building a device that will wipe out the competition. It is going to crush cheap streaming sticks, replace expensive gaming consoles, and turn your TV into the ultimate smart home hub. Today, we're going to dive deep into every single leak, rumor, and hard fact about this massive industry shift. We'll talk about the crazy new chip inside, the brand new design, the game-changing price tag, and why you should absolutely not buy a new TV box until you see what Apple is releasing. Let us start with the biggest shock of all, which is the price and the new design. For years, Apple products have carried a premium price tag. The current Apple TV 4K starts at $129. It is a great device, but it is expensive. People look at a cheap Google Chromecast or an Amazon Fire Stick for $30 and wonder why they should pay so much more for an Apple device. Apple has finally heard that complaint. The leaks are pointing to a brand new, thinner design for the Apple TV Pro. To make this happen, Apple is doing something very rare. They are moving away from the premium metal body and using a high-quality plastic body instead. By changing the material to plastic, Apple is cutting production costs in a huge way. But do not worry, it will not feel cheap. Apple is known for making even plastic feel incredibly premium. This simple design change is exactly how Apple is slashing the price from $129 down to an unbelievable $99. That $99 price point is the magic number. It completely changes the game. Suddenly, the Apple TV Pro becomes an impulse buy for anyone who already has an iPhone in their pocket. But what is inside this new plastic shell is where the real magic happens. We are looking at a massive, completely unheard-of jump in processing power. The current Apple TV 4K uses the A15 chip. It is fast enough for Netflix and YouTube, but it has limits. The new Apple TV Pro is leaping all the way to the A17 Pro chip. Yes, that is the exact same powerhouse chip found inside the flagship iPhone 15 Pro. To put this massive upgrade into perspective, we need to talk about memory. The current Apple TV 4K has just 4 gigabytes of RAM. The new Pro version is expected to double that to 8 gigabytes of RAM. Why does a TV box need 8 gigabytes of RAM and an iPhone chip? The answer is gaming. Apple is no longer just competing with Roku or Amazon. They are coming straight for the gaming industry. With the A17 Pro chip and 8 gigabytes of RAM, this new box is designed to handle heavy AAA video games. We are talking about massive console titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed. These are games that usually require a $500 PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X. The A17 Pro is the world's first 3nm chip. In simple words, that means it's super fast and it does not get hot. This is incredibly important for a device that sits under your TV running heavy games. If you own the current Apple TV 4K, you already know it is fast, but it absolutely cannot play true console-level games. The new Apple TV Pro will physically turn your living room into a high-end gaming hub. You can simply connect your PS5 or Xbox controller via Bluetooth and instantly start playing games that used to require massive, expensive hardware. This brings up a very important comparison. For years, the NVIDIA Shield Pro has been the absolute king of streaming and living room gaming. Android users have loved it because it is powerful and versatile. However, the NVIDIA Shield Pro is aging. It still uses a processor from back in 2019. It simply cannot keep up with modern graphics. The Apple TV Pro, powered by its A17 Pro chip, will actually support hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Ray tracing is a fancy lighting technology used in modern games to make shadows, water, and reflections look perfectly real. Most budget gaming PCs struggle to run ray tracing. Yet, Apple is packing this technology into a $99 plastic box. This effectively makes the Apple TV Pro a better, more capable gaming console than most budget computers on the market today. You might be wondering if this is all just a wild rumor. It is not. The information for this massive leak is strongly backed up by several top-tier industry experts and major news outlets. These are people who have inside sources deep within Apple's supply chain. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg is one of the most trusted Apple reporters in the world. He has recently reported that Apple is working on a new smart home device that perfectly combines an Apple TV with a camera for FaceTime. Meanwhile, massive tech sites like MacRumors and 9to5Mac have highlighted detailed supply chain reports. These reports clearly show a launch window for late 2024 or early 2025. When an entire supply chain starts whispering about a new product, you know is real. We also have confirmation from some of the most accurate analysts in the tech world. Ming-Chi Kuo is famous for predicting Apple's moves years in advance. He openly stated on X that the next Apple TV will officially break the sub-$100 barrier. He knows Apple needs this low price to drive more sales and get their device into millions of new homes. Another highly reliable leaker on X, known as Shrimp Apple Pro, gave us even more details. He mentioned that internal testing for an Apple TV device running the A17 Pro chip is already happening right now. He confirmed the main reason for this powerful chip is to support vastly better gaming performance. The gaming angle is getting even more interesting. On X, the well-known leaker Tech Insider of Egnis has heavily hinted at Apple's master plan. He says Apple wants to turn the Apple TV into a low-cost, mainstream gaming console. Their specific target? The Nintendo Switch. Apple wants casual gamers and families to buy a $99 Apple TV Pro instead of spending $300 on a Switch. When you look at the specs, Apple's box will be much more powerful than the Switch. Tech sites like Apple Insider have also stepped in to confirm another huge feature. The new model will likely support AV1 decoding. This sounds complicated, but it is incredibly simple and useful. AV1 decoding is a modern video technology that makes high-quality 4K video use way less internet data. Your streams will look sharper, buffer less, and consume a fraction of your internet bandwidth. Let's shift gears and talk about why this chip change is such a big deal for your everyday life. Apple is completely rethinking how we interact with our televisions. Remember that report from Mark Gurman about a built-in camera? Apple is adding a built-in camera, or at the very least, a much easier way to use your iPhone camera for FaceTime directly on the big screen. Imagine sitting on your couch with your family and video, calling your relatives across the country, all in crisp 4K on your massive TV. This is a direct, calculated move to kill the competition from companies like Roku and Amazon. Speaking of Roku and Amazon, let us talk about the user experience. Have you used a cheap Fire Stick recently? Those devices feel incredibly slow. They lag when you press a button. But the worst part is the ads. They're filled with banner ads, pop-ups, and sponsored content that clutters your screen. Apple wants to give you the exact opposite. They are offering a clean, premium, ad-free experience. For $99, the interface is completely smooth. You're getting a user experience that makes absolutely no sense for the hardware they are giving you. It is a premium luxury experience hiding in a budget device. There is another massive quality of life improvement you should really care about. It is the Find My feature for the remote. We all lose the remote. It slips down into the couch cushions, it gets hidden under blankets, or the kids leave it in another room. It is incredibly frustrating. The new Apple TV Pro version will fix this permanently. Apple is putting a much louder, more powerful speaker directly inside the Siri Remote. It will connect perfectly to the Find My app on your iPhone. When you lose it, you just tap your phone and the remote will ping loudly, allowing you to find it instantly. We also need to talk about longevity, because this is where Apple truly destroys the competition. That A17 Pro chip is not just about playing games today. It is about future-proofing your purchase. Because the chip is so insanely powerful, the Apple TV Pro will easily get software updates for at least the next 7 to 8 years. Compare that to a cheap $30 Fire Stick. Sure, it is cheap today, but it starts lagging and freezing after just 6 months. After a year, apps crash. After 2 years, it is e-waste. With Apple, you're paying a little more upfront, but you're saving money and a massive amount of frustration in the long run. You will not need to buy another streaming box for nearly a decade. So, the big question is, when can you actually get your hands on this amazing device? The leaks firmly suggest a late 2024 release. Apple will likely aim for a launch around November. This is a very strategic move to catch the massive holiday shopping season. A $99 Apple TV Pro would be the ultimate Christmas gift. However, if they miss that November window, Apple always has a backup plan. They usually do a massive spring hardware event in March. If we do not see it by the holidays, March of 2025 is a guaranteed lock. This brings me to my final piece of advice for you. If you're sitting there right now, thinking about buying the current Apple TV 4K model today, my advice is simply to wait. Do not buy it. Hold on to your money. You're going to get double the processing power, a radically better gaming experience, and a much better remote for $30 less if you just have the patience to wait a few months. This upcoming release is going to be the absolute biggest shift in the streaming box market in a decade. It is not just about watching Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus anymore. It is about literally owning a mini gaming PC that fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. In my honest opinion, this product is going to be an absolute home run. Apple has finally realized that price was the only thing holding their streaming box back from total market domination. By dropping the price to $99, adding an iPhone 15 Pro chip, and turning it into a true gaming console, they have created a device that has zero flaws. It is the perfect bridge between a smart home hub, a 4K movie player, and a casual gaming console. I truly believe this will completely disrupt both the streaming stick market and the budget gaming market overnight. It is exactly the kind of innovation the living room has been desperately waiting for. What do you think about a $99 Apple TV? Would you pick this incredible little box over a Nintendo Switch or a Roku? Let me know down in the comments, because I really want to see if these new gaming features are enough to make you finally switch to the Apple ecosystem. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.